Good morning, guys. I hope you are having a fab day today. This is my first day of vlogging. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, or leave any comments down below what I can do in the next vlog. Please bear with me. This is the first time I'm doing it fully. Make sure please subscribe to the channel for at least now and again vlogs. Let's get into the vlog and see you guys later. Boom. Good morning, guys. I hope you are having a fab day. Today in the UK is 10 to 12 in the afternoon time, guys. Today I'm going to do kind of a video for you guys. Doing kind of taking paddle for vinegar with kind of paddle in it. See what I have in the bottle. So let's see if we can put it in. What we're going to do, guys, for you guys first. So I've got the bottle here, guys, and what we're going to do is now is we're going to get the baking powder. Baking powder for you guys. I'm doing this slight experiment for you. I'm going to do, guys, baking powder in the bottle. That is going to work, but it's going to be awesome. I'm going to put it in the bottle. I'll put it in this container. It's kind of paint container. So what we're going to do now, guys, put paint in here. Not paint powder. We don't want any. Baking powder. Enough baking powder in here so it fills up. So that's done, guys. So I'm going to add a little bit of food colouring. One food colouring I actually got so far is this. It's pink food colouring. That's what it looks like in the tub of container. Hi guys, so about that again. Cut it out again. So where I left off was I'm in the bathroom with vinegar and baking powder with food colouring. And let's see if I can put you guys entertained with this experiment. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for not daily vlogs, but nanny vlogs. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down in the description so what else you want me to do in the next future vlogs. Thank you for your time, and let's get this thing started. So far, what I'm doing today is just relaxing. Yesterday I watched The Flash, Supergirl and Legend Tomorrow, and today I'm going to watch my Arrow. Arrow starts late today. Arrow's on tonight, so I'm going to watch it tonight on live on US TV now, on Cody, and make sure you subscribe. Let's get this started. So vinegar, open this open, so now I'm going to put it inside this little thing. Let's see what happens, guys. Baking powder. No one. Easy enough. Good. So it's pushing up like a minute. It stinks. Old. So about my women's a bit of mess because I got ADHD. This is part of the video I want to share in my life to you guys. And this is what I got in my snake cage. Here you can see I've got two coin snakes. My adorable lovers. And here you can see right now is Peter, and that is Dill, my name. So my name's Curtis. They're only about 3 months old, and let's see if we get my dog. And not my dog, my family dog. She's only asleep. Just get in there. It's a bit black, but look what I've really got me. And that's my little angel. Come Jessica. And Jessica. Oh! That's my little angel, little doggy. My little angel. In the Jessica. In there. So remember guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, like. I'll put my social media thing down in the description. Please enjoy the video and please give me a thumbs up.